Hi again. This is a continuation of part 1 of this script version control for ITCAM for transaction robotic script. The second part is how to roll back to an old version without regenerating the scripts. As I explained in the part 1 of this technical session, it is important to have a clear naming convention for your script. Name script, so you need to name your scripts in a way that clearly depicts their monitoring purpose. It is a good practice to include the application name being monitored, followed by the process being tested. For example, if you create a script to monitor the query balance function of the ABC banking application, name your script with something similar to ABC banking query balance, followed by a number, a version number, and possibly a date. Use at least more than 2 characters for your script name. Now, to come back to the question, how to roll back to an old script without regenerating the scripts. If you have saved 2 or several versions of your script, here you have an example, the original one and then version 1, and you can imagine version 2, version 3, etc., etc. You can decide to select which version of your script that you want to play back. So if you start the Tivoli Enterprise portal and look under the node where the Application Management Console agent is installed and look at the robotic scripts workspace, you should see the different version of your scripts that you have previously uploaded, and from there you can launch the Application Management Configuration Editor, and once it is started you can decide to create a robotic profile, a robotic response time profile, and you decide which of the version of your script you are going to play back. So you can select to, for example, to play back the original script, or you can select to play back the one that you have modified the 31st of January this year. You select it and you can distribute this script and against a robotic response time agent of your choice in order to play it back. Now let's move on to the last question of this technical session. If we want to remove a step in the script, is there a way we can do it without having to re-record the script? The answer is yes. You have to use it to do it using the RPT Workbench GUI. And you can keep several copies of your script if you like to. So again, let's take this example of this modified version of my script. I can decide, okay, in this script I have a step that is no longer needed, so I can decide to disable it, and then I can save this script and put a new name because it's a new version. So I can put version 2 1st of Feb 2016, and I click finished. And now I have a third version, a version 2 of my script that I can verify by playing it manually using run as that first. So I can verify my script using run as test, and once it is verified I can export it again, same method using file export ITCAM for transaction. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching this video at the IBM Monitoring Academy. We appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to check the thumbs up box if you appreciated this video. We have added several helpful links to the YouTube comments box below so you can find all our other content on social media. I would definitely recommend that you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.